Welcome to Evolver, and I love sharing natural remedies that actually get results. Let me walk you through a step-by-step DIY recipe for onion oil, how to apply it for the best results, and my top tips for masking the smell. Have you ever been struggling with the hair fall or just want your hair to grow faster and thicker? You're in the right place. Today I'm showing you my personal recipe for DIY onion oil. Onion oil is packed with a sulfur that strengthens your roots and wakes up your hair follicles. I will show you exactly how I make it, how I use it to get the best results, and most importantly, how to make sure you don't smell like kitchen afterward. Let's jump right into the recipe. Onion oil is made by infusing onion extract into carrier oil. It contains natural compound. Let me tell you the onion oil benefit. It boosts hair growth, it reverses premature graying, nourishes hair follicles, and prevents hair falls. Let's move to the action, how to prepare that hair ball. Chop 1 to 2 onions and add them to a blender jar. We are going to use the red onion, and if you can find the small one, it's better to use it. But if you couldn't, use the one that you can find easily. The next step is to pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the blender jar. I'm talking about coconut oil, but if you have another carrier oil like olive oil, use it. Doesn't matter. It depends on how you are going to use it and what you are targeting. But our target today is to have longer, healthy hair. So use any carrier oil that you can find easily to your place. Well, blend everything in a blender to a smooth paste, very smooth one. Then take 1 saucepan and pour onion paste and coconut oil or olive oil according to your carrier oil that have been used. Then we've been using this measurement, which is onion paste half cup, coconut oil half cup. Then stir well and simmer it on low flame for a few minutes until onion paste turns light brown. You heard me well. Wait until your onion paste changes the color. Okay? Then, after the oil has cooled down, take a cheesecloth and strain to oil through it. You can use anything just to strain it. If you don't have that cheesecloth, you can use anything as long as you are going to extract that oil. Well, transfer the oil to a clean bottle and very careful, store in a very cool, dry place. Add a few drops of essential oil to mask onion that smell. I've been using castor oil. Also have used eucalyptus oil, but it depends on oil and fenugreek oil that have been used. Use which kind of essential oil to mask the smell. Don't smell like kitchen scents, right? It's better to understand that onion oil contains natural compounds that interact with the scalp environment, but is not the thing which is going to increase the length of your hair. It does not instantly increase the hair length. It does not directly hair growth solution as well. It works indirectly by supporting conditions. Well, onion oil is often used to support scalp balance, reducing breakage, stronger hair structure. These effects don't create immediate growth, but they help improve the overall condition of the hair, and healthier hair is easier to maintain over time. Well, one of the many reasons people don't see results is how they use it. Apply oil randomly without structure or expecting quick results leads to disappointment. Hair growth is not controlled by one product, depends on consistent care over time. I told you which measurement are you going to use. Use it as I told you and apply like twice a week for best results. Also, massage the oil on your scalp and hair. Don't wash it off. Instead of treating onion oil as a solution, it is more effective to see it as a part of a routine. It supports this process but does not replace the process as well. Keep in your mind. When used within structure approach, it can contribute to better solution. A simple and consistent approach works best, using small amount, avoiding overuse, and maintaining a balanced routine. It helps to improve effectiveness. Overcomplication often reduces consistency, and consistency what support results. Hair growth takes time as well. I couldn't forget to tell you that. This content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Results may vary based on individual hair types or underlying health conditions. Always perform a patch test on small area of skin before full application to check for allergic reactions or sensitivity. If you experience severe hair loss or scalp irritation, sometimes bald, please consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional. Make sure to double check the physical labels of any store-bought ingredients like essential oils or coconut oil, even olive oil, for specific usage instruction. Sulfur that we found in onions, it's often referred to as the beauty minerals. It boosts hair growth by acting as essential building blocks for hair protein. It strengthens hair follicles and improving scalp health. It is particularly effective because it supports the production of keratin and collagen, two proteins crucial for strong, elastic, and rapid growth of hair. Basically, it makes the hair tougher from the inside out while keeping the scalp clean for new growth. Onion oil works as more concentrated, less irritating version of raw onion juice. While it still carries that high sulfur content, it acts on your hair in a few specific ways, which are keratin supply, waking up follicles, deep conditioning, and antiseptic actions. So all of them, they are going to help your hair to grow without any barrier. Because the follicle has been waking up, the hair is going to grow and become massive. Onion oil is popular natural remedy for premature graying because it helps manage the internal bleaching process of your hair follicles. Here is the brief breakdown, which is catalase boost, melanin support, and antioxidant defense. But ask yourself, does it work for everyone? It is most effective for premature graying caused by stress or nutrient deficiencies. It generally can't reverse gray hair caused by natural aging or genetics. Keep in your mind that consistency is the key. You typically need to use it 2 to 3 times a week for at least 2 to 3 months to see difference in new growth. Onion oil also nourishes follicle by acting like a nutrients delivery system for your scalp. Here is the brief breakdown of how it feeds the roots. Sulfur is a building block. It's waking up dormant follicles and antioxidant protection, also scalp environment. Then, the best nourishment is massage the oil into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This physical stimulation works with the sulfur to double the blood flow to your follicles for hair growth. Use it as I told you, that is the science. Onion oil helps prevent hair fall primarily by making existing hair harder to break and ensuring the scalp is heavier enough to hold onto it. Well, it also reduces breakage. It makes the hair root very stronger. It neutralizes damage, and it's also the source of scalp hygiene. Its antibacterial properties clear away dandruff and infection that often cause inflammation and hair loss. If you notice hair fall is falling while you are oiling, you might be massaging too lightly. Use only your fingertips and gentle circular motions to avoid pulling out weak hair. If onion oil hasn't worked for you, it may not be the ingredient. Just double check. Okay? It may not be the ingredient as I told you, but how it was used. When you focus on structure, consistency, and understanding, you are creating better condition for hair to grow. Just ease yourself, make your hair relax, and use onion oil because sulfur, which is inside, is the key. Use it as I told you with the same measurement, you will see the real change, visible one. My lovely queen, don't forget that consistency is the key. Give it a try for a month, only 1 month, and let me know how your results in the comment is now. If you found this video very helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more natural hair care recipes. Stay beautiful, and I will see you in the next one.